5G is leveling up again, and then releases 17 and 18 are packed with massive RF upgrades that change everything from MIMO to mobility to power efficiency. If you want to know what's really happening under the hood of 5G Advanced, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Release 17 expands the 5G ecosystem with upgrades across MIMO, RedCap devices, positioning, spectrum use, and an early integration of non-terrestrial networks. It's a major step that improves performance, extends coverage, and then opens new device categories. Release 17 brings smarter and more efficient MIMO behavior. CSI feedback is more accurate. Uplink beamforming uses enhanced SRS signaling, and then beam tracking becomes more stable, especially in mobility and then dense deployments. RedCap, also known as New Radio Light, introduces a new class of reduced complexity devices. With fewer RF chains, narrow bandwidth, and lower power, RedCap enables affordable 5G connectivity for IoT, wearables, and industrial sensors. Positioning gets a major upgrade in Release 17, pushing accuracy into the sub-meter range. Improvements include better TDOA performance, angle-based methods, and multi-cell cooperation. These changes dramatically improve positioning in indoor and open environments. Release 17 also lays the foundation for non-terrestrial networks. 5G New Radio now supports satellite-based communication with waveform and time adaptations for long delays and improved mobility and handover support. This brings the first steps towards seamless terrestrial and satellite connectivity. Release 18 officially marks the beginning of 5G Advanced. AI becomes part of the air interface. Massive MIMO gains new efficiencies, and mobility and coverage receive significant upgrades across FR1 and FR2. AI and machine learning start to play a major role in RF optimization in Release 18. Beam selection becomes smarter, link adaptation becomes predictive, and handovers rely on machine learning-based decisions. Networks can now learn and tune themselves more effectively. Release 18 adds new mid-band spectrum options and improves coexistence between radio technologies. RedCap devices also benefit from new power-saving features and improved bandwidth efficiency, expanding their use cases. Mobility and coverage see strong improvements in Release 18. Beam recovery becomes faster, timing alignment is more precise, and high-speed mobility is handled more reliably. These updates significantly boost performance at cell edges. Power efficiency is a major focus in Release 18. Enhancements include smarter DRX behavior, wake-up signal extension, and more efficient beamforming cycles. Together, these lower UE power consumption across many features. In summary, Release 17 introduces smarter features and new device categories, while Release 18 brings AI-driven intelligence to the air interface and ushers in 5G Advanced. Together, these releases deliver major RF improvements and lay the foundation for the next phase of new radio evolution. Release 17 introduces efficiency, and the new device categories. Release 18 elevates the entire 5G system with AI-native optimization. Together, they form 5G Advanced. Energy efficiency is a core challenge in 5G RF design. As networks scale with massive MIMO, wide bandwidths, and dense deployments, power consumption directly impacts cost, sustainability, and performance. In next episode, we'll look at how energy efficiency is addressed, from EV hardware all the way to network-level RF design. And that's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.